From the IBM terminal to the desktop. Based on the profile from the iconic IBM beam spring terminals of the 1970s, this custom keycap set is fully sculpted from dye-sublimated PBT plastic in high profile. Dye-sublimated PBT construction. Made from PBT plastic. Long considered the superior keycap material. This MX-compatible set is both long-lasting and resistant to fading and shine that occurs after long hours at the keys. A subtle classic. The keycap set comes with scooped keys and an angled bottom row for a comfy feel. The colorway is a combination of neutral grays and colorful accents for a subtle look on your favorite board. Switch compatibility. Sculpted in MT3 profile, the Matt3o DEV-TTY keycap set is compatible with Cherry MX switches and clones, including but not limited to Kaihua Halo and Gateron switches. Keyboard compatibility. This kit is specifically designed for the 65% keyboard layout. Perfect for the drop-alt mechanical keyboard. It comes with 70 keys to cover a wide range of other compact keyboards too. Compatible devices. Other keyboards with compatible layout. Top reviews from the United States. Great keycaps. I use these keycaps on my dropshift and they are amazing keycaps. For the price, a bit much, but if you can afford it, they are worth the expense.